To enter fast boot mode on the Xiaomi 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, first turn off your phone. That's going to be side button and volume up, and then you can slide up to power off the phone, and then give it a couple of seconds to just make sure it's completely off. And then now you can press the volume down and side button simultaneously for about 2 to 3 seconds until you see that Mi logo. So volume down and power, press and hold. Just wait for that Mi logo, and then you can let go. There you go. So quickly let go, and the phone should now get into fast boot mode. It's really that simple. So to exit, again, just long press on the side button alone. Just long press on it. Just keep holding. We're waiting for that screen to go off and the Mi logo to pop up. So the screen is now off. Let's wait for that Mi logo. There you go. Now the phone will boot back up to HyperOS. Thanks for watching and good luck.